Hello YouTube. Just got a little package today. Another little unboxing. I've been wanting to get this. The struts for the hood of the car. Because the struts are bad, so every time you work on the car, the hood can actually come slamming down on your head or on your fingers. Not good. So I got this. I just got it in the mail. Let's open this thing up. Okay, got two of them, one for each side. Let's see if I can put it on right now. Okay, I just took one of these off. They're simple to take off. You just get a flat screwdriver and you stick it in that slot right there and pop this clip out, and it'll just pop right out. It works the same on both ends. Stick a screwdriver in there, pop that clip out, and that ball will come out. And then you just put it on. Basically, you just snap the rod on. Here's a rod that's already on. All I did was just grab and just snap it on. And I just put it on that ball right here and snap it on. So here I got both sides. And it's really stiff closing. And there you go. Now it won't fall on my head anymore. Until next video, I'll see you.